case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1893, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case called Nix vs. Hedden, which stemmed from a debate over the classification of tomatoes under the Tariff Act of 1883. The issue at hand was whether tomatoes should be considered fruit or vegetable for the purposes of trade and commerce. This case brought to light the importance of using the ordinary meaning of words in the English language, rather than relying solely on dictionary definitions. Witnesses testified that the terms fruit and vegetable had no special meaning in the commerce industry, and so the court had to rely on common language and usage. Despite tomatoes being, botanically speaking, a fruit, they were more commonly perceived as a vegetable by consumers and sellers. Vegetables were typically served with main courses, while fruits were often eaten as dessert. Consequently, the court ruled that tomatoes should be classified as vegetables for the purposes of trade and commerce. The Supreme Court's final ruling acknowledged that although tomatoes are indeed botanically classified as fruit, their status as vegetables in commerce and the ordinary language of the time took precedence. Dictionary definitions were deemed inconclusive in this case, and the court favored using common language to interpret statutes, ultimately classifying tomatoes as vegetables under the 1883 Tariff Act.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.